Here's quite interesting app. I think it's called BeFake AI. So this app is kind of opposite to Be Real. Well, it's not opposite, it's just a different angle to Be Real. In fact, this app is kind of like a copy of Be Real app. So it uses the same logic, the same concept. You're getting notification every day, but the only difference that you need to post a photo, and that photo is not like a real photo. You just take a real photo and then it's using some AI prompt to generate some AI photo of yourself. And then that's basically, yeah, what it is. That's what it is. And it says, why be real when it's fun to be fake? Be honest, we are not always our creative best and not every moment feel ready to share. So give your reality an AI lift. BeFake AI is the first augmented social network allowing you to transform every moment, no matter how messy, into a social media masterpiece built to reduce the pressure and time it takes to create that perfect moment. Our app allows you to create hyper interesting content using AI. So that's basically the app. So one notification sent to everyone and the countdown starts. 20 minutes of unlimited credit to transform your photos with AI. Surprise your friends with AI versions of you or AI versions of your friends. Post and share your epic AI creation. So then you can just open it up and then just this is how it looks like. So kind of, yeah. So this is my photo I just took. So it's the same again, like very similar design to Be Real. Everything is like the same. You just receive notification and then you post a photo. And then based on your photo, it will generate AI image. In the top left corner, like with the back camera, is just added some random image. So I didn't post that, but that's what it is. And then the thing is, like in the free version, users can still see your original photo. And then people can add reactions, can add some discoveries. So as you can see, I already received like 5 reactions. It's pretty cool. So there aren't that many users on this app and the community is quite condensed. So it's a good time, to get some traction and get some popularity on this app. So yeah, you can just add some, some reactions to your photos, and then yeah, you can just follow, delete post, edit post. You can see some top BeFakes from other people. You can just go to other accounts. You can add friends here, and yeah, that's what it is. You can search for friends from here. You can see in discovery some other nice photos. So as you can see, again, it's just the same Be Real, but instead of photo, it's just using some AI filter. So that's basically what it is. It's pretty cool. So then, yeah, you can just give it a try and discover it. Especially if if it's Be Real, you feel a bit that you just don't wanna share your real showcase all the time your real photos. That's when you can just show your a bit fake images. So that's what it is. Pretty cool app, pretty fun. I think this is like a startup, and they raised around $3 million. So that's just a start, and then you can just go to your profile in top right. You can see your photos, and then you can just buy subscriptions. You can buy credits if you want to subscribe. You can post live without penalty. You can have like unlimited generations for photo of the day. You can see friends' historical posts. So then you can just upgrade, and that's like $3 per week or $10 per month. Pretty cool. So you can do that. Then with your account, if you're concerned about your data, you can easily delete your account as well from the app. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. It's kind of alternative to Be Real. Of course, it doesn't have that many users in the app, but it's still fun. However, for me, it feels like the design is a bit like quite aggressive, like all the photos here and all the different AI styles. If you just scroll a lot, It's for me, like, visually it's a bit too much, all these AI filters. It's a bit, yeah, like in Be Real you see just the real photos and it's not that aggressive. Here you just like kind of in some video game, but still fun, so give it a try.